Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to the homestead. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you as well. I appreciate you and your support. So in today's video, we're going to harvest some cabbages and my first ever harvest of Brussels sprouts. Let's get started. So in my cube, we have 4 cabbage, and I believe the third one is ready. So we're gonna check all 4, but I think out of here, I can only get 1. So that one's not quite. That one's not quite. This one is, so we're gonna cut it. And here we go. Nice looking cabbage. And let's check the 4th one. Definitely not. So probably in a week and a half, we'll come back and get the other 2. So we're going to check our Dutch cabbage here to see if we have any ready. That one, not quite. No. This one is, I don't think it's going to get much bigger. So we're going to get this one. And here we go, a little small one. So these are my red cabbages, and it looks like we have one big red one that's ready. The other 2 are firm, I know, but they're small. I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and get those or not today, but I do know we're going to get the big one. And here we go. Nice one. So overall, our cabbage harvest is good. We got 1 large green, 1 small green, and 1 purple. Now we're gonna go and get these Brussels sprouts. I have been saying for the longest period of time that I have never been able to get a Brussels sprout harvest. Well, today is the first day of that, and I decided it would probably be best if I go ahead and do it sooner than later, because the squirrels are now eating the tops of my plants. Now I have something in the works to alleviate that, and no, I'm not going to harm the squirrels. We're going to put covers on most of my plants, on most of my raised beds, but that'll be in upcoming videos. So what I am going to do harvesting these, I'm going to take this one that has fallen over, and I'm going to cut it down at the soil line, just like that. And then we're going to cut the head off here. Pop the leaves off. and then pop the Brussels sprouts off just like this. And we're going to go ahead and do that for all of them. So here's my first ever harvest of Brussels sprouts. And while they're not very big and there's not a lot of them, it is a harvest, and that's what's important to me. And we'll take the lessons that we learned this year and do better in the fall. And hopefully this will be a continuing success story. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this harvest of cabbage and Brussels sprouts. I'm extremely satisfied and happy with both harvests that we got. And as I said, as far as the Brussels sprouts go, we'll do better next year, and hopefully it will be long-term success. As far as the cabbages go, we have several cabbages left. Hopefully they will form heads before the heat makes them bolt and all down here in Zone 9A, Florida. But I'm looking forward to harvesting them, and when they're ready, we'll bring you along. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Do you all eat Brussels sprouts? If so, what are some of the secrets that you use to get them to grow nice and big? And the next question is for one of my viewers who loves squirrels, Mike. Mike, when you are growing your garden outside, do you have any issues with your squirrels? And if you do, how do you deal with it? Let me know so I can not have as many problems with the squirrels as it seems like I'm having lately. The first 2 years, no problems at all. I mean, barely even noticed them. This year so far, yeah, they're making a nuisance of themselves, and they're making up for lost time. So, Mike, let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I cannot do is grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you're interested in any of the products or seeds that you saw in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both are listed in the description portion of the video, as well as the affiliates I'm associated with. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.